Why is Jeep Wrangler insurance so expensive? Imagine owning a vehicle that's built for adventure but also comes with a price tag that makes insurance companies take notice. That's often the case with Jeep Wranglers. So why do they cost more to insure? Let's break it down. First, the value of a Jeep Wrangler, especially the newer models and higher trim levels like the Rubicon or Sahara, can be quite high. Some versions have a manufacturer's suggested retail price exceeding $100,000. Insurance companies see this high value as a bigger risk because repairs or replacements cost more. Next, repair costs play a big role. While the average annual repair cost for a Jeep Wrangler is below the national average, its rugged design and off-road features mean damage from off-road adventures or accidents can be expensive to fix. Some trims include premium parts or advanced technology that push repair expenses even higher. The performance capabilities of the Wrangler also influence premiums. With horsepower ranging from 270 to 285 and acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6.1 seconds, insurers consider this a higher risk for faster driving or accidents. Size and weight matter too. The Jeep Wrangler is a large and heavy vehicle, weighing around 5,098 pounds. Heavier vehicles tend to cause more damage in collisions, which increases liability and property damage claims. Theft is another factor. Jeep Wranglers are often targeted by thieves, especially because they are popular and easy to steal. Higher theft rates mean insurers charge more to cover the risk. However, adding anti-theft devices like alarms or immobilizers can sometimes lower premiums. The age and trim level of the vehicle also matter. Newer models cost more to replace, so insurance premiums tend to be higher. Higher trim levels with luxury features or upgrades can also increase costs. Driver factors are important too. Younger drivers or those with poor driving records usually pay more. Living in urban areas with heavy traffic and high theft rates can also push premiums higher. The type of coverage you choose makes a difference. Full coverage policies with low deductibles cost more than minimum liability coverage. Interestingly, the Jeep Wrangler 4Z plug-in hybrid version is often less expensive to insure. Even though hybrids tend to have higher insurance costs because of expensive technology, the 4Z has a lower risk profile and newer safety features that can reduce premiums. To sum up, Jeep Wrangler insurance costs more because of its high value, repair expenses, performance, size, theft risk, and typical driver profile. Picking a lower trim level, adding anti-theft devices, maintaining a good driving record, and shopping around for the best insurance quotes can help manage these costs.